Hey y'all, I decided that debarking this log is too good of a workout to miss out on. So I'm gonna keep trying my hand at it, getting better, hopefully, so bear with me. But I thought maybe during this time I could also, I don't know, answer some questions, tell some stories about my dad, some things he built for me when I was a kid. He's built all kinds of things. But first, I haven't really done a formal introduction of myself. My name's Holly. I'm Mark's daughter. And, I've been living away for a long time. And I'm finally back. I spent 3 of those years in Alaska. I loved it. It was amazing. I would move back there in a heartbeat. I actually just finished a trip around the world. Did Asia, the Middle East, Europe, the UK, around and then back here to the States. So I really enjoy traveling a lot, wildlife, photography, which is why I'm enjoying doing this. I actually model too, so cameras are kind of just second nature for me. Let's see. When I lived in Alaska, I was in the Mrs. Alaska pageant. I did a lot of aurora hunting and bear hunting, all kinds of things there. It's incredible. My hobbies actually are free swimming with sharks. It's actually a lot of fun. Well, as a kid, I grew up out here on a lot of land, and I couldn't really help but be a little bit of a tomboy. So my dad didn't have any boys, so all this kind of just naturally fell to me, and I don't mind. I enjoy it. So for my dad's sake, hopefully I get better at it. I'm not kidding, guys. This is a seriously legit workout. If you have any questions or anything you want me to answer, you can put it in the comments and I'll do this again. Answer whatever questions you have. My dad built all kinds of things when I was a kid. Like, this one is called the moon jump. God, my mom hated that thing. Terrified her. But, basically, it had a big concrete ball on one side, a long pole, and a seat. And you would jump and it would bring you almost like you had no gravity from one side over to the other and back. That thing was so much fun. When my dad was a sophomore in high school, he built a hovercraft. I actually found an old picture of it. I'll have to post it on here. But that's just kind of the kind of guy my dad's always been. He says he never learned how to do any of this stuff. It was just downloaded into him. Oh yeah, we're getting a good one now. Whew. I like those big long strips. Just hard until you get below that initial bark layer. There we go. I'm not even playing, y'all. Y'all should try this. Tag me if you do. This is no joke of a workout. I better have some abs by the end of this. I might have to call it for today, guys. I really appreciate y'all watching. Catch you next time. Thanks.